Hi, what is DAX? DAX is data analysis expressions, and in DAX there is DAX function, and within the filter functions there's a all. So what is all? ALL. It says that it returns all the rows in the table. All returns all the rows in the table. Ignore any filters. So it's a very powerful tool to clear filter. Now let's take a look. This is two measure. One is without the all function, and that is over here. These total sales is just sum up all the value in the line total. So just sum up them, and the other is applying the all into the sum x function. I talk about the sum x function in another video. Now let's take a look at what does that really mean. I will just select the visual and delete it. Now I create a new visual. It's a clustered column chart. Now first thing is I created a measure that is called total sales, and I just drag it over to the visual, and I have this total sales which is 109 million. Now next is I will go to my product category, this one, and then I just drag this name into my visual again. And now what happened is that this measure has applied a filter, so that's why you can see that it's now break down into 4 main category. It's now on the axis. Next, you see that because this total sales is only for the byte category, and this total sales is for the component, that means it's apply a filter, so it only shows the sales for the components. So it has applied this filter, name filter. Now I drag the all sales, and I just drag it to the same visual. Now take a look that regardless of which filter, it just doesn't care. It remove the filter for the bytes, remove the filter for the components and cluster. Now I change it to table, then you can have a better idea. And I go for my values. So it just gets bigger, and that you can see that this has applied for each of the total sales and it's applied a filter. But for all sales measure, because it is designed with removing the filter of the table, so it's sum all irregardless of any filter, and that is what it means, all, ignoring any filters. So I hope that this is useful to you. It helps you to understand the DAX function all. God bless you. God bless Asia.